morning, this is Priyanka. Today I am gonna tell you about personality. So firstly I want to tell you about what is a personality. So what is a personality? Personality is the aggregation of the quality of the human beings. Like it's a behavior of the human beings. So it's not created by at the instant. It is by birth. So if someone has a personality, so it's consists of two things. Like it is made up of the mental personality. Okay. So it is made up of two things. Firstly is that it's if I won't tell you about, so what is the personality? So personalities depend on the mental personality and the physical personality. So we can change personality can't be changed, but we can modify the personality through our behavior. Whatever the person has a personality, it's God gives from our birth. So personality is the different types. Like there are so many types of personality. All of one thinks that personality only physical structure. What is the walking style of the person? What is the talking style of the person? I agree with this point. The personality is that, but side by side, the personality is also what we think about the situations and the mental. What we think about the all the surrounding. What we handle the situation. If we fight with someone else, then how we can handle out that situation. So that is a personality. So how the personality affect the people. So personality, firstly it's depend on the environmental level. Like if we grown up as like environment where there is a lots of positivity, lots of confidence, so our personality become like that. But if we grown up like on that situation, like there is no any type of positivity, like we always feel inferior, so person or my personality will become like that. Suppose there are two person. One is that which is grown up like he or she feels always high and confident, so he will perform like that. But if another person feel uncomfortably, unsocially and timid, shy, so her personality will going on that directions. And if I'm talking about like it's depend on the peer pressure. So first of all, it's the causes of the personality affection. So first is the environmental factor, and the second one first is the heredity. Heredity means which is comes from our parents, one generations to another generation. So it's depend all our gene. And second one is the environment, and third one is that peer pressure. So peer pressure is also including in the environmental factor. And third one is the lifestyle, and fourth one is the family communications, family styles. Suppose if our family has lots of conflicts, our parents always do fight with each other, then that affect also that things affect on the person personality. And now I want to tell you about the different types of personality all one has. Like first is the cyclothalmic personality. So what is the cyclothalmic personality? Cyclothalmic personality of that person, though sometimes he feels very very euphoria type, very excitement, very pleasure, and in the other hand he depressed. Means suppose one example of that one person, he is very excited to do some one work, but suddenly he depressed so much. He has two type of personality at the instant of time. In the one time he feels so good, and the other hand he feels so depressed. So it's a cyclothalmic personality. Second one is the multipurpose personality. Multipurpose personality is that personality those person has two types of personality. Like suppose a girl, when she goes to our college, she become like a bold. She abuse, she take alcohol, she smoke. But when she come back to her home, then she changed totally. She performed in her home like she is very brilliant and decent and very disciplined girl. But in reality she is not. So sometimes person has the different types of personality, aggressive and the timid type also. And third one is the hysteric type personality. So hysteric type personality, of that personality, in that situation, person is very clever. Means person knows how to take the advantage, how to take the benefit from the other person. He when suppose when we are in this when we are in the school or the college, and I didn't work at right time, and I cry at front of teacher. I say I have nausea, I have diarrhea, I have fever, and whatever else, I have something problem, and that's why I didn't do this work. So please ma'am, forgive me, I will do this work next day. So this is type of the hysteric personality. And next one is the schizoid and the paranoid personality. Paranoid personality of those person, those are very suspicious type person. Like he thought like two couples there, and he's suspicious about her wife. She has another marital affairs, and the wife also thought that my husband has also marital affairs. So that type of person, that is a suspicious type of personality. So most of the, when this type of personality if the person has, then it leads to this schizophrenia. It's a psychiatric problem. And next one is the schizoid personality. So schizoid personalities depend also on person has the timid nature, shy personality, and not to involve too much to the person, and just all about these are the person. So these are the different types of personality. Everyone has a personality. So I told you about the different types of personality. Maybe I think I have the personality of the psychothalamic personality. I don't know what other person and you have which type of personality. So try to understand. I give you lots of example of the personality. So this is